Hare Krishna. Today we shall see chapter 2, sloka 58 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita.
Yada samharate chayam kurmunganiv sarvashah indriyani indriyatebhyas tasya prajna pratishtita.
Lord Krishna continues the description of Sthita Prajna in this sloka also. A person who can withdraw his senses from sense objects, like a tortoise withdraws his limbs into its shell, is truly situated in knowledge. Now, in practical life, Krishna talks about perfect knowledge always. In practical life, is it possible to be practical, perfect? Not. Because we see different people in this society in different fields to be of different perfection. But Krishna's idea is that every one of us should try to improve our knowledge in whatever sense it is. We have to improve more and more perfectly. So, in real life, people withdraw their senses in different levels, in different for different reasons. Most of them withdraw for fear of dharmic rules. They want to follow that. Some out of fear, some out of legal complications possible, and some people they do out of fear, and some people out of shame. Fear we told earlier, out of shame, and different levels. So in this joke what we are going to see, there is a little tortoise. It does not withdraw for any of these reasons. It has its own reason of insecurity. Let us see the joke. Once a group of tortoises, they went for a picnic. After reaching the picnic spot, the mother found that they brought that kheer or payas for everybody, but forgot the spoons. So, what to do? Mother said, let us send our junior to get the spoons. Which junior always, anytime agrees for that? He says, no, I will not go. Why? Father is saying, why you will not go? He says, no, if I go, you all will take the kheer and finish it. I will not be left with anything. Father says, no, it's not like that. When we send you, definitely we will wait for you. Because we want the spoons from you, we will wait for that. So, you proceed. So, but he said, come quickly. But which tortoise has ever come quickly? So, it's impossible. So, but still, they were waiting. Waiting. 3 days are over. Still, there is no trace of the junior tortoise. Then one of the brothers started feeling nervous and uneasy and hungry. He said, junior is not coming, shall we? Then the father said, yes, we can start eating, let us wait for his coming, let him join when he comes. Then there was a noise, sound, shrieking sound from the shrubs there. See, that is why I did not go. I know you will cheat me. I know you will take without me. I have not gone. So, that is the withdrawing from the scene. Hare Krishna.